Welcome to Review Lab. The best infusible ink is probably one of the most exciting and versatile crafting materials available today, allowing you to create vibrant, permanent designs on a variety of surfaces with professional-looking results that truly last. Unlike traditional heat transfer vinyl, which adheres to the surface of your material, infusible ink actually infuses into the fibers of your chosen substrate, resulting in a seamless, peel-proof, and wash-proof finish that looks and feels like it was part of the original product itself. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their DIY projects, from custom t-shirts and tote bags to coasters and mugs, bringing a new level of durability and brilliance to your creations. Number 5. Cricut Infusible Ink Transfer Sheets, Purple Watersplash. Create stunning, vibrant designs that truly last. These transfer sheets offer pro-quality results that are built to endure. Applying your designs is simple and straightforward. Just use your compatible heat press for a flawless finish. These are ideal for creating custom designs on mugs. Get ready to personalize your favorite drinkware with ease. Enjoy transfers that never flake, peel, crack, or wrinkle. Your creations will maintain their pristine look over time. Achieve professional quality transfers with every use. These sheets ensure your artwork looks vibrant and lasts a lifetime. Easily integrate these sheets with your Cricut mug press, easy press, or any standard heat press. Achieve brilliant results on compatible blanks. What we like. These sheets are ideal for creating vibrant, pro-quality mug designs that truly last. The transferred ink becomes one with your material, ensuring it never flakes, peels, cracks, or wrinkles. If you are looking to personalize mugs with permanent, professional-looking graphics, you should consider this. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the ink transfers beautifully, creating professional-looking results on various surfaces. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Just design, cut, and heat press, and you get stunning, permanent designs. The infusible ink adheres permanently to the material, meaning it won't peel, crack, or fade over time, ensuring your creations last. Number 4. Cricut Infusible Ink Markers, Watercolor Splash. Experience the difference with infusible ink. Unlike traditional methods, your designs become a permanent part of the material, creating vibrant, long-lasting results. Each pack provides everything you need for your projects. You'll find transfer sheets and protective butcher paper to ensure a clean and successful heat transfer process. Apply heat and witness the magic. Your custom designs will transform into vivid, permanent, and professional quality transfers on your chosen blanks. These markers are optimized for performance with Cricut cutting machines. Get the best results when paired with compatible infusible ink blanks and a Cricut Easy Press. This pack includes 5 medium point markers in a variety of stunning colors. Create eye-catching, permanent designs that truly stand out. With these markers, you can infuse your personal touch into a wide range of projects. The possibilities are endless for creating unique, personalized items. What we like. This set allows you to draw your own designs and then infuse them for rich, full-color results that last a lifetime. Unlike other methods, the ink becomes part of the material. If you enjoy freehand drawing or want to create truly custom, permanent artwork, these markers are a great choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the ink transfers beautifully to fabric. Easy to use, just like regular heat transfer vinyl, but with permanent results. Great for creating personalized gifts that look professionally made. Number 3. Cricut Infusible Ink Transfer Sheets, Leopard Pattern. Discover the revolutionary way to create vibrant, lasting designs. Unlike traditional methods, these transfer sheets become one with your material for a truly seamless finish. Experience the magic of infusible ink. These innovative sheets, when heated, transform into brilliant, vivid colors that are permanently infused into your project. Choose from a stunning array of colors and patterns. Watch as they blossom into incredibly vivid hues during the heat transfer process, creating a smooth, peel-proof, and wash-proof result. Designed for ultimate compatibility, these sheets work beautifully with Cricut blanks. Infuse your unique designs onto a variety of compatible materials for a personalized touch. Elevate your crafting with our infusible ink products. Compatible with Cricut Maker and Explore family machines, you can create one-of-a-kind t-shirts, coasters, totes, and more. Achieve professional quality results with ease. Simply cut your design, apply it with Cricut Easy Press, and enjoy permanent, vibrant creations that stand the test of time. What we like? Get ready to infuse eye-catching leopard patterns that are peel-proof, flake-proof, and wash-proof. These sheets create seamlessly smooth transfers that look and feel professional. If you love bold patterns and want durable, long-lasting results on items like t-shirts or tote bags, this is the option for you. What people say. The design transferred beautifully onto my project and added a unique touch. It's definitely a fun way to create something different. These transfer sheets are easy to use, especially once you read the directions. They offer a lot of creative possibilities, and I'm excited to experiment with more designs. The colors are bright and 4 different coordinating sheets are included. Very happy with results. Number 2. Cricut Infusible Ink Transfer Sheets, Galaxy Pattern. Discover a revolutionary way to transfer designs. Unlike traditional methods, these sheets become one with your material for permanent, vibrant results. Experience transfers that last a lifetime. Simply infuse your chosen designs into compatible blanks with Cricut Easy Press for a seamless finish. Each pack includes 2 12 by 12-inch sheets and protective butcher paper. This ensures your projects stay clean during the heat transfer process. Watch your designs come alive. These pre-inked sheets transform into vivid hues at high temperatures, creating peel-proof, flake-proof, and wash-proof transfers. Pair these sheets with your Cricut cutting machine to infuse colorful designs onto a variety of blanks. Personalize your creations with unique, freehand patterns. These transfer sheets work seamlessly with Cricut Maker and Explore family machines. Create custom t-shirts, coasters, totes, and more with ease. What we like? Create stunning, vibrant designs with this mesmerizing galaxy pattern. The pre-inked sheets transform into vivid hues when heated, resulting in permanent, professional quality transfers. If you're aiming for a cosmic or abstract look that won't fade or peel, this pattern is perfect for your projects. What people say. The design transferred beautifully onto my project and added a unique touch. It's definitely a fun way to create something different. These transfer sheets are easy to use, especially once you read the directions. They offer a lot of creative possibilities, and I'm excited to experiment with more designs. The colors are bright and 4 different coordinating sheets are included. Very happy with results. Number 1. Cricut Rainbow Watercolor Splash Infusible Ink Sheets. Introducing the Rainbow Watercolor Splash Infusible Ink Transfer Sheets. Achieve stunning, vibrant, and professional-looking heat transfers that are built to last. Simply use with a compatible infusible ink blank in your Cricut Easy Press or a standard heat press. It's an easy way to create custom designs. These sheets deliver brilliant colors that won't flake, peel, crack, or wrinkle over time. Enjoy permanent, high-quality results every time. Each sheet measures 12 x 12, 30.5 cm x 30.5 cm, providing ample space for your creative projects. Transform ordinary items into extraordinary creations with these beautiful watercolor splash patterns. Let your imagination flow and make something unique. What we like? Achieve stunning, vibrant, and professional-looking heat transfers with this rainbow watercolor splash pattern. The results are permanent and will not flake, peel, crack, or wrinkle. If you are looking for a beautiful, artistic, and durable finish for your crafts, this set offers a gorgeous aesthetic. What people say. This particular ink, Rainbow Watercolor Splash, turns out just like the colors shown in the box. It's an expensive product but reasonable for what it is, reliable and consistent product I can count on. Made the staff mugs in watercolor and the galactic-looking infusible ink sheets are so forgiving due to the variance in coloration. This is a Cricut selection that was used from mugs by me. The color combination was great. Very happy with the outcome. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.